Hey people, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shane Cromer, and today I'm going to be putting together an outfit that people have been wearing since the 80s all the way through today. It's timeless, it's stylish, it's simple, and you probably have some of these pieces in your wardrobe already. Let's get stuck in. Get ready with me. I will be starting this outfit off with light blue jeans. You can do this outfit with a darker pair, but personally, I prefer the lighter jeans. So as you can see, these are quite a slim pair of jeans. They're not super tight, they're not super loose, they're comfortable, and I just really like the silhouette of them. I'm gonna be wearing some white trainers today. You guessed it guys, white trainers go with pretty much anything, but I've opted for a low rise trainer simply because I think that these work better when you are wearing a more slim fit jean. Now, if you decided that you wanted to go for a baggier option, then wearing a more chunky trainer might actually suit that look a little bit better. And as you can see, the leg length on these jeans is perfect. It literally just grazes the top of the shoe and it just blends together quite nicely. Moving on, I'm gonna be wearing a white t-shirt. Again, can you see how basic and simple this outfit is coming together? Blue jeans, white trainers, white t-shirt. You can pretty much wear this wherever. Now, do you see what I mean when I said this is an outfit that people have been wearing for years, and they probably will be for another 20, 30 years. These are items of clothing that most of you probably already have in your wardrobe. You probably already wore this outfit. I just personally think it's absolutely perfect. So this could work for spring and summer. As it is transitioning into autumn now here in the UK, well, we are already in autumn, I'm gonna be wearing a jacket. And I'm gonna be going for this beautiful leather jacket from Boda Skins. So this particular style from Boda Skins is called the Alexander. Just an all-round lovely jacket. They do have another style which I have upstairs in my wardrobe called K. Michaels, which is slightly different. They look very similar from far away. I do have a video showing the differences between the two, so you can go and check that out. So there we go guys, an outfit that people have been wearing for years and people will still be wearing for many years. These are timeless pieces. Blue jeans, white t-shirt, a leather jacket, white trainers. They're never going to go out of style. It's not a fashion trend that has all of a sudden come around and in 10 years time it's going to be buried at the bottom of your wardrobe. Having items like this are super versatile and you're going to be able to mix and match them for the foreseeable future. So here it is, my first autumn outfit. Stay tuned for many more Get Ready With Me's. It's something that I was doing initially and I stopped doing a little bit, so I'm really looking forward to diving back into my wardrobe, showing you guys some lovely autumn and winter outfits as the months progress. Have a lovely day. Thank you very much for watching this video. I would really appreciate it if you give it a like, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with all my future content. Thank you very much for watching, and hopefully I will see you on my next video.